you're just starting out, my best advice is don't buy an initial public offering. About 83% of US listed initial public offerings in 2018's first 3 quarters involved companies that lost money in the 12 months leading up to their debut, according to the data compiled by the University of Florida. From my own experience, majority of IPOs tend to fall, which means that if you buy as soon as that IPO happens, the majority of cases, you'll tend to lose money if you don't do your research correctly. As you get more experience though, understanding in why certain IPOs tend to work better than others, you'll be able to start investing in them a lot more efficiently. So as a beginner, stay away from IPOs. Stick to the more established companies that have shown they're able to withstand the test of time, different market conditions, and they won't just falter to a recession and completely go bust, causing you to lose all of your money. So for beginners, stay away from them. However, if you're an experienced investor and have a highly defensible reason why a company should do well on its IPO, you can purchase that and it will be a very credible decision. Investing in that company is a more sensible way if you know the reasons why you're doing it and you can defend them well.